Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this stunningly designed hatchet from Dependable Wilderness Tools has been so great for us to have around. It makes really quick work of breaking down our firewood and getting ready to have a campfire. It almost looks way too gorgeous to use. I think that it looks like a work of art, but this thing is solidly built to be put to work. The axe head is beautifully shaped and it has that great hand-forged look to it, but it also has great weight to it and the edge is really sharp. The handle is solid wood and it has this rustic color and wood grain showing. I am just a big fan of the way it looks. My husband is mainly the one who uses it because honestly, I'm a little bit of a klutz and I'd like to keep all my fingers. He is so happy to have it. He has been really impressed while using it, and he also really likes the carrying case that comes with it that he can attach to his belt. So when he's outside walking around, he can always have it with him and handy. It is the perfect size for getting the job done. In addition to splitting up firewood, it's also great for any small tree branch removal that you might have to do around your property. When it comes to a tool, this one has it all. It has the beauty, the quality, and the performance that you're looking for. But that's just my point of view.